In this video, we're going to show you how to reset the oil life on your INFINITI G37 X. Go ahead and start your vehicle. Now what we're looking for right now is the vehicle maintenance setting right here. And you can change through it through this 2-button setup here. Use the upper one. And you're going to scroll through so you can get to that screen in case you're not at it. Use the lower button to scroll down to maintenance. Upper button to get that. Lower button to go to engine oil. Upper button to select it. Then use the lower button to go down to setting. Upper button to grab that screen there. And now you're going to use the lower button to set the mileage. Now this here is using synthetic oil. We're going to set it to 5,000 miles. Upper button to select it. Now we're going to use the upper button to go back. Now we want to come down using the lower button to oil filter, upper button to select. Lower button to scroll down to setting, upper button to select it. Lower button to set it to 5,000 miles to match the oil life. Upper button to select. Upper button to go back. And one more time. And one more time to skip. Now at this point here, this is part one of a 2-part system. We're going to go over to the center dash over here. So come on over here to info. And we want to come down to maintenance. So we're going to use our lower button here. And then enter. We want to go ahead and set this to match the gauge cluster over here to 5,000 miles. Reset distance, it's already been set to 5,000 miles here. So we're going to select that. And that has been calibrated right here. Now we want to get to the oil filter. So come back to the info, down, enter, and come down to the oil filter. And we want to go ahead and reset that. There we go. Set that. Use your keypad to go back up to reset distance and enter. You can see that it's cleared right here. And at that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.